I customized my moped helmet a few months ago, but my wife's helmet is still super boring and she's upset about that, so we're gonna fix it. So when I asked her what she wanted the helmet to look like, she said a word I'm not allowed to say, but it starts with a C and ends in an NTY, so that's what we're gonna do. So I started by taping everything off, sanding it down, and then painting it with this hot pink primer. But being pink wasn't enough, so I drew flames onto the helmet and then filled those in with Mod Podge, and then sprinkled silver glitter over that, and then would remove the excess. And then I did this for all the flames, and then once I was done with that, I did the same with pink glitter. Once it was all covered, I just finished it off with a bit clear coat, and it's done. She loves how this thing turned out. I think it turns out really cool. But let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye.